Hello everyone. Today on the bench we have this device. After some usage, customer have found some more issues with this one. So this is PX900 that we have already seen in my videos. And the issue is that in the rewind mode, device sometimes just hesitate to play correctly. I see that there is some kind of things. Actually, I don't see any issues from my side, but let's check this out. So other side. Okay, you see. I suspect faulty hinge. Yeah. Let's check my other device that I have right over here. And I think that I don't have that problem with this one. So, play. Other side. Yeah, we do not have that huge play right over here. Okay. That is gonna be interesting one, I think. Let's try to investigate what the hell is going on right over here. Okay, so it moves a bit into that point, and why we have that movement? Yeah, because right here it is super stiff and stable. And over here we have some movement, and I see why. Because this is not the right screw right over here, because this device was messed up in the first place. And I think that this is the main issue. Jesus, and I will have to find right now that correct screw for that place. I think that this one should be, yeah, this one should be good. Let's see. And let's screw it firmly. What about now? We still have that slight movement, and from where it goes I just don't understand, guys. But this is a hinge problem, I think. I just don't understand. Let's check again. And we have some small slack right over here, just this side is okay. Yeah, and the forward we do not have that issue, but in the rewind there is. At first, maybe let's try to change that that hinge. I don't see anything wrong with it, but yes, I have one. This one would fit straight in. Yeah, okay. Let's remove those. We do not have too much slack. Okay, so hinge is replaced. Let's put this one back too. This device is real pain. Now it is firm. So actually the hinge was the problem. Let's not start celebrating too early. Yeah. Yeah, now it is firmly in. We still have some little movement, but nothing like it was before. Play. Other side. We still have the same issue. Okay, let me investigate a bit more, and if I will find solution, I'll be back. So till then. Okay, so I think I have solved the issue. So actually it was the hinge problem. I have to bend it a bit, and right now, okay, we still have that same. But you know what? Okay, what is actually going? I have just a bit bent that lever that is responsible for engaging pinch roller for the rewind direction. Yeah, and right now this is forward direction. Let's put into rewind direction. And as you can hear, if I'm doing that same motion, I will try to do it like that. There is no more wow and flutter, you know. And I'm quite hard pushing it. Yeah? So I think that this issue is eliminated. But I will do more testing, okay? I will leave it, this device just like that for until tomorrow, and I will check it, okay? Okay, so this is the next day. Let's check if it's still fine. I hope that it is. So this is forward direction, rewind direction. And let's see. I think it's fine, finally. Let's assemble the device. Other side. And that's it. It's finally working. So I think that this device is fixed. That was quite an interesting journey with this one, but in the end we have achieved actually that good result for it. So this is it. As always, I hope you liked the video. Please consider supporting my channel. Also, please like, share and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Cheers. Magic.